Myself, Sri Vignesh. I'm from Europe. I completed my bachelor degrees in mechanical. I selected DevOps. I have a short knowledge about cloud-related technologies like AWS and Azure. I got to see GUVI, who came to a placement to our college. There only I got the knowledge about GUVI placements and everything, what they are doing. After that, of my course completion, I enrolled a course in DevOps. I started with UI UX and quickly jump over to DevOps. And the technologies, what they teach was good. And the technologies, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, and Terraform was to us. So it was good. And monitoring tools, Prometheus and Grafana was also covered in this topic. In 2023, or more or less 22, first time placements going on in our college, and the first company came to us is GUVI. So I studied about GUVI. After that, there are multiple posters and multiple Instagram reels and everything everywhere. I saw it. I after that wanted to learn UI UX, but jump into the starting with programming. It's a bit tougher for me even nowadays, and I mostly work on UI, so it doesn't require for me as of now. And it was harder when I do Jenkins pipelines before, and these are the difficulties. I used to watch the videos, the session videos again and again 2 times, and based on that I search Google and find out like more or less 6 hours, which is the only project which was given to me. The mock interviews, it's really tougher. The trainer, what they cover is at least 50% was not asked in the mock interviews. It was totally different and new topics. So it was really tougher for me. I had 3 chances. I cleared it in the last chance. After that, the placements. Placements was good enough, but have a good skills to accomplish the companies. But I landed in UMA. It was good.